Very practical ways of multiplying numbers. At the level of lower primary students, usually, having to get them to think mentally and produce answers for some of them tends to be very, very challenging. So, what do we normally apply? Let's just take this for example. Excuse me. You have 23 times 24. So these are two numbers making up a collective number 23, and then here we have two digits also making up a collective number 24. Now, how do you get the child to multiply this in the very simplest way or in a practical form? Alright, so when you take the first number, the first digit of the first number is 2. And then for the second number, the first digit is also 2. So there is this approach referred to as using strokes. So the first digit will have 2 strokes sketched in its case, and then the second number having 2, the 2 will have 2 strokes also sketched in reference to it. Now, when you finish with this, you realize that for the first number we have the second digit being 3. So just like we did here, this time we are going to show 3 strokes to the right across the first 2 strokes. And then for the second number, we also have the second digit being 4. So the same thing is going to be done. We are going to show 4 strokes. Now, when you finish with this, we are going to now group them. So our first group will be this, and then our second group will constitute the intersection of the strokes in between or in the middle, and then the last set of intersection will also form the third group. Now let's see what happens. So the counting will be done from the right to the left. Now from the right, how many intersections do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 strokes here. So what is going to happen is you are only going to write 2 and then reserve the 1 in the tens column for the next counting. Are we getting the point? Alright, so here, so let's count the number of intersections we have. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the remaining one here, 15. So here, what do you write? You write 5 and then reserve the 1 in the tens column for the next set. So here we do our counting same way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus this 5. So our answer is going to be 5, 5, 2. Now practically, if you decide to confirm it using the normal approach, as we all know, we'll have 4, 3 giving us what? 12. 2 remainder, 1, 4, 2 giving us what? 8 plus this giving us 9, and then 2, 3 giving us 6, 2, 2 giving us what? 4. Now adding them, 2 plus 0 give us 2, 9 plus 6 give us what? 15, 5 remainder, 1 plus that give us. So you realize that using this, you get the same answer as you'll get using this approach. But I think for a lower primary level student, this method makes it quite practical and simpler to go about. It's as simple as that. Math still easy.